Good morning guys, this is me here from the Global Blogster and today we are at CST heading for a special staycation and it's I think 6:30 a.m. in the morning today and we are catching Deccan Express. Check out the full video, subscribe our channel please and see where are we going. Finally the train has arrived and see who I spotted, the Modi fan with a chai. So guys, finally we reached Khandala and it's very easy. 2.5 hours mein you can reach from CST to directly Khandala by Deccan Express or any other trains which are going through this side. And the ticket rates are very reasonable, around 260 per person you can get an AC ticket.
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you.
So guys, finally we reached here at Zara's resort and we just took a rickshaw from Khandala station to the resort, which is around 50 to 80 bucks. And this was the place I was telling you about, Zara's resort, and it is one of the top 5 resorts in Khandala. I'll show you the property.
You with such tired eyes and everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Just silent boulder, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Just silent boulder, the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off. That natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again. Standing underneath the rows of trees, I can see where the ocean meets the sky. Under our clothes, a fire grows. We are ready for this life of running wild. We're running wild. Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life.
Let's start the room tour. This is my room and it is also called a Mughal room, and they totally have just 2 rooms in this resort, which they call the Mughal room. They also have deluxe, super deluxe, vintage room, but I found this one the best. The color combination of this room is also classy, and you can also spot a balcony, a private balcony here, where you can sip your coffee, have a great conversations. Coming outside, you can spot a swimming pool there, and this is the main entrance of the resort. And here you can spot a few cottages and rooms, and the property is very superb here. I mean, look at the greenery, you will enjoy it. coming to the lunch, they have the in-house restaurant called Rani Rasoi, and there's a special customized biryani called Kepsa biryani. So I'll show you the ingredients and all of this huge thali. Check out. This is mutton, this is chicken, these are eggs, there's a black lemon here, this is hummus, and there's a special tomato chutney which is made in house here. And overall this looks superb, and this is a customized dinosaur the chef has made. मेरे साथ शेफ़ रमेश है और शेफ़ उमेद है, तो आज वो बताएंगे कि ये बिरयानी कहाँ से इंस्पायर्ड है और कैसे बनाई गई है। तो आप बता सकते हैं?
जी, पहले हमने सर रान को बॉईल किया। हाँ। उसके बाद उसको हमने इसका स्टॉक रहता है सर, उसको पानी में हमने राइस बनाया। राइस बनाने के बाद सर दम राइस रहता है, और दम राइस के बाद हमने सर उसके बाद उसको थोड़ी देर तक स्लो आंच में हमको ये किया सर। उसके बाद इसके साथ तंदूरी लेग पीस आता है सर, और उसके बाद अपना बॉयल एग आता है, बॉयल अंडा आता है सर, और उसके बाद अब अम्मूस बोलते हैं चटनी, और उसके बाद टमाटो की चटनी आता है सर।
अच्छा, ये ब्लैक लेमन की यूज़ किया है?
ब्लैक लेमन सर राइस को ब्राउन करने के लिए यूज़ किया है सर,
और
टेस्ट आना चाहिए, और उसका कलर भी आना चाहिए सर, और ब्राउन राइस को ब्राउन होना चाहिए सर।
और हमस का मतलब मुंबई में जो है वो हमस नहीं देते, तो यहाँ पे स्पेशलिटी क्या है? आपने हमस ऐड किया है?
जी, हमने हमस उसके साथ जैसे चटनी आता है, ये आता है सर, उसके साथ वो हमस
ज़्यादा क्रीमी करने के लिए
उसके साथ स्वाद थोड़ा कैसे सूखा रहता है, तो उसके साथ में ये हो जाता है सर,
और भी टेस्टी बनाना हमस यहाँ का
स्पेशलिटी।
जी,
थैंक यू सो मच। खा के मैं आपको बताता हूँ कैसा।
ओके सर।
You turn toward me and look so weak. I've never seen you with such tired eyes. And everything we said we'd be, we just traded for a suit coat and a tie. And underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. You're shining for the
Hi guys, second day at Zara's resort, and we are having our breakfast with this classy view.
wind is cold. You must return to the wild. You're shining for the wind is cold. You must return to the wild. Follow me down, there's no one around. Lay back and take your socks and shoes right off.
This is a special vintage hall where you can plan up any marriage or any special family functions or engagements, etc. Quite a nice space at Zara Resorts. We also have a conference hall which is so huge, you can plan up meetups, conference, private parties, etc. etc. See the space, it is very huge.
Natural light is so damn polite, can make you feel just like you were young again.
Hi guys, day 2 and all set for lunch. This is veg kolhapuri, this is chicken patiala, cheese kulcha, garlic naan. So let's try the cheese kulcha. Wow, the cheese is rolling out. Let's try it. How's it?
Yummy.
They have adopted lots of ducks for this property. You can see behind. They also have horses, as the owner of the property here loves animals. So there are totally 3 horses.
Underneath the rows of trees, I will see you where the ocean meets the sky. Under your toes, the fire grows. You are ready for a different kind of life. Just shining forward, the wind is cold.